What's up, Coaster Spotters? This is Alex. Just want to do a quick note that the park has now announced that they are removing all rides at the end of the season, which happens in just a few days. They will remain as a water park, but unfortunately this is now more of an archive than a guide.
What's up, guys? This is Alex checking in from Coney Island. We were not planning on coming here today, but storms at Kings Island closed the park, and we had a little extra time between going from Kings Island to Holiday World. So we are going to go and check out the park. I am personally not going to ride anything. I've ridden this thing 19 years ago, and it's a very commonplace carnival coaster. So I'm just gonna walk around and show you the place. So we are here during the summer fair, and some of the rides are in the fair area, which is a separate admission. So I won't be able to show you everything, but there's a good idea of the stuff that we can't show you. There's the Python again. Ended up getting a wristband, $8, I think, because of the amount of rides that are not currently available. And I also saw a really cool flippy ride over there, so I want to go give that a try. The star of the show and the only roller coaster is the Python. This is a Pinfari, a Daniel Pinfari, which is actually a sub-company that one of the relatives of the original Pinfari company set up after Pinfari went bankrupt, and he made a couple of coasters, a couple wacky worms. I think he's still in business. Anyways, that is me rambling, but fun little coaster, nice airtime. It's kind of weird. They got rid of the back seat, and I'm not sure why. We'll have to get a close-up on that. Yeah, so as I was saying, it's really weird how they kind of like blocked off the back seat. Alright, just got a ride on Python. Let me tell you what, guys. You gotta be a small person to ride that. That is a tight fit. Yeah. That thing has not aged well in 19 years from the last time I rode it. Fun, but very jerky and weird. Yeah, that wasn't that great. Right next to the Python, you have the Flying Bob. Really little fun ride. You hang and go around and swing around the curves. Really fun ride. We have a Rocco plane, which is, these are just great rides. You can control your brakes, so you can control how much it spins or not spins. Do a bunch of flips. If you get it going, all you have to do is just balance yourself a little bit, and you just flip like non-stop. Very fun ride, the Rocco plane. And becoming a little bit rare as you see these days. We have a little kiddie section over here. Lots of old school kiddie rides, along with the frog hopper. So yeah, we have like your little helicopter ride. These are a lot of 50s types of rides and 60s. Cute. Oh, look at that turtle. That's cute. So yeah, you have the rockets, you have the airplanes, you have the helicopters, all types of little kiddie rides for them to enjoy. And that is interesting, that ride operator is sitting right outside the ride fence area. Turtle Parade. Now I know the name, that's even cuter. So this is a crazy thing from Moser Rides. I'll give this a little try. Flips you around a lot. Oh, looks pretty awesome. They have a little mini golf course. Looks very nice, very shaded. Very well maintained. So that looks nice. I think you can... So here's the Cincy Golf we showed you before. We just got off of the Wipeout. That thing was amazing. The top spin, this is cool. It's a Zamperla 360 flipper ride. And yeah, that's about as far as we can unfortunately go in the park, really. Now we know why it's $8. We have a tilt-a-whirl over here. You have a carousel, a little drop ride, and some bumper cars. Yeah, unfortunately, a giant slide. Over back here we have a Ferris wheel, along with some live entertainment, gift store, and some food options. So here's everything we have at the park. We have a little water park right here, the Python. So it looks like this section is inaccessible to us. So this is a very historical park. It goes back to 1800s. You know, it morphed into Kings Island eventually. So kind of fun to check this out, and we'll show you the rest of it, and then we're on to our next thing. Oh, I like the swinging ship. It's themed to a canoe. That's really cool. It's a swinging canoe. Super cute little, oh, boats and trains. That's so cute. Look at all this. So cute. Have a Ferris wheel over there. Right on the lake right there. Oh my God, they have a Tempest. So we're giving the Tempest a try. This kind of looks like a Scat, but different. There it goes. Yeah, unfortunately we're not seeing this place in its full potential with the summer fair going on. Very historic set buildings and very cute. Got a scrambler. As you enter in, you see a lake on your side, and there it is. And you have paddle boats, paddle dragons, and swans. That is different and really cool. Let's take a look out there at that water. So yeah, here we have an idea of all the rides over in this section. Scrambler, that Tempest thing, the rocking ship. Look at that. You got paddle boats, canoes, all types of things out there. And those are some really big paddle boats out there, those swans. That's cool. Very cool. Love the old school Elf Bridge Ferris wheel. These are super fun. Kind of freaky, really. And then this weird thing. You've seen bungee rides before, but this one's in like a little dome thing. So that's cool. You typically can go way higher than that, but those are little kids, so they're not really getting all that high. All right, so that is going to do it for our little tour here of Coney Island in Cincinnati, Ohio. You know, lots of history to this place. So if you're near Kings Island, definitely worth a little excursion. About 35 minutes from Kings Island. Yeah, so much history. And they also have a little water park with a bunch of slides, wave pool. I think a splash pad is new this year. So we are going to give you a little view of that on the way out. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hey, and comment below. Do you have any memories of Coney Island from before Kings Island? If you do, I'd love to hear them. Anyways, see you next time.